Swatis Culinary Art. Today we would be cooking a special snack time recipe, that is samosa. Samosa is the most favorite and popular street food in Indian subcontinent and also well known all over the world. It makes its appearances everywhere as snack time, party food and restaurant and also in cafes. So let's see how to cook this favorite street food at home.
We would start with our dough preparation. For that, we would take 2 cups of wheat flour, then we would take 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil. You can take here any oil which you use regularly. Add a pinch of salt just for taste. Just mix this. And then we would add 1 cup of water in parts, so that we make sure that we don't add excess water at a time and dough is evenly kneaded. Now add some more water and knead the dough. We need to knead our dough tightly. Do add the water as and when required in between while kneading. And now our dough is ready. Now we would add half a tablespoon of oil just to grease the dough. And cover it and keep it aside for 20 minutes about. Now we will start with our stuffing. So we need a pan. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated up a bit, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of sesame seeds. I have taken here black sesame seeds. One-fourth teaspoon of asafoetida. And then we would add finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger and finely chopped 2 green chilies. Saute it for 1 minute around. Now we would add half a bowl of green peas. I have taken here frozen peas. But if you take fresh green peas, then I would suggest you to boil the green peas first. And saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we would start adding our powdered spices. That is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder and 1 teaspoon of mango powder, that is amchur. If you don't have amchur or mango powder, you can just squeeze a little bit of lemon or add chaat masala to it. And now just mix everything well and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes or till masala start leaving oil. I have taken here 2 potatoes which are boiled and roughly chopped. Mix this and cook it till all the masalas and everything is blended well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt well and start smashing everything roughly. And our stuffing is ready, and we would keep this aside for cooling. Now we would take our dough and knead it once again. I've also kept oil for heating up on low flame. Take a small piece of this dough and just form it into a ball and press it and start rolling it with the rolling pin. Don't use your floor to roll the dough, and don't worry if you don't get a perfect circle. We would roll our dough slightly thick. Now we would cut it into a half. Then apply water to one of the half circle. Now we would fold the ends of half circle so that it would form a cone-like shape. Make sure to press properly. And then just hold it in your hand. So we would start filling our vegetable stuffing into the cone. Just fill half of it, don't overfill it, so it would be easy to close the ends. Now fold the middle of opposite side in such a way and close the ends of samosa and press it properly, because it would then not open while you're frying. Now we would repeat the same thing for other half, that is, apply the water to the ends of the circle, fold the ends or join the ends and form a cone shape, and hold it in your hand and add your vegetable stuffing half. Fold the opposite ends and close the samosa by pressing it well. In such a way, prepare 4 to 5 samosas and fry them in the oil together. To check on our oil, we would take a very small ball of dough and just add it into it. If it thumbs up. So that means our oil is well heated and we are ready to put in our samosas. Make sure you fry your samosas on low heat till they get brown in color. As you see, our samosas are nicely brown. Now we would remove it on a tissue so that all the oil is soaked up, and then serve it in a serving plate. I would show you how the samosas have been nicely fried. Wow, it looks yummy.
Now you know how to cook your favorite street food at home. You can serve this samosa with simple green mint chutney or tomato ketchup. Please like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that is Madhvi's Culinary Art. Bye. See you next time with the new recipe. Until then, happy cooking.